Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations how to fix your Gmail password. In case someone who has stolen your Gmail password, hijacked, hacked your Gmail password. Now you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phones, but however, how do you especially embrace proof from the Gmail password we will see live step by step. Yeah, unfortunately, this area has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device, and due to losing of his device, now he was extremely exhausted to rescue Dash Gmail password, but is not in positions to rescue because he doesn't have the recovery email and the recovery phone so that easily he can rescue. So what will be best instead is to other rescue, we will see live and of course how die without having the recovery email and the recovery phones. So right now see it's a things that couldn't sign. We don't know anything, so simply just we will cut it from here and we will have to come to Play Store. In the Play Store we will have to write here. That is it. Yes, we will tap on this. Yes, and click on especially search app and of course games app applications. Yeah, just we will write here via browser, and the via browser is a very lightest, of course, especially light and the easiest, fast and the light guys. You can see it's costly 3 MB, so quickly it will be installed. So now it has almost thing installed. On the other hand, especially we need two chances. That's very crucial, guys. So what we will do here is firstly we will tap on a special Z browser, hold this, and we will have to here see that is especially app info here. On that we will have to click it and then we will come notification. Check it out, it should be off. You will have enable, guys. So of course do it off. Then we will back here and we will come in permission store. We will have to customize the precise locations. So where it is here, this means we will click on here. You will have a special allow all the time, so we will have to make it precise location off, and thereupon of course we will click here don't allow. So when we tap, so then it will notify to you that especially if you deny this permission, the basic feature of your device especially may no longer function as intended. Fine, for timing I'm doing it don't allow. Then we will back here, and after coming back here, what we'll do, guys, yes, one more time we will have to back and now set as a default. Check it out. The permission, especially remove permission free of application, that should be a disable, and set open by default, that's link should be a disabled. So everything should be have to complete it on this browser. Now, as we know that we have another browser that is a Chrome, of course, so hold this, and similarly we will have to apply all the instructions that I had done in yes, Google search browser. So we will come notification. Notification is already off, guys. And now we will click on a permission. We will customize the precise location. So of course we will have to tap on this and click on allow. Here it is enabled. So we'll have to make it disable, guys. And thereupon of course we will click here. Don't allow. So no longer the function is intended. Now it's a change. Of course for time I'm doing it. Now of course we will back and just remove permission and free of space, that should be a disable. Of course now we will cut it from here. Everything is now as smoothly, of course we have done. We'll go for open this browser and see the magic how easily this can be, guys. Just we will click on this home browser. We will click on here. That is, we will have to write Google and fix this Google especially. We will have an option here at the corner of the sign in to. Of course we will have to click on this particular ID, that is especially SE and T, of course this ID it was. Now we will click on next, and we can see here when we tap to next, then it's asking a password, guys. First we will go for forgot password. We will try to generate more alternative options. We don't have a device because of losing of device. Now we will have option here that is a special last password. If you remember, that's okay. Otherwise, of course, we'll go for try another way. Can I have the more an opportunity alternative? Now that we can see here, this is especially United States number especially, and this is verified ID of United States. So now what we will do here, just we will click here don't have. When we click here, don't have so that. It's just saying so that answer as many questions as you can use a device where you have the shining before. And the third is yes, this account can be the possible to a rescue when your account is managed with a family link or especially alternative recovery email. So we have the send email to the parents to change your password. As usually, this option is a given. So we have limited option, but one more things that we forgot here motives to the rescue of this account. Google is giving links. So if it is a coming by all the procedure that you have finished yet, and then this is just saying the motives to the rescue means blindly. Of course, you can rescue without having the recovery email and the recovery phone. How it is possible? Of course, let's see. We'll click on here directly to off. Don't click on try again. Otherwise, of course, Google will, of course, easily detect that you are trying to rescue this ID but by a reference browser. So we'll have to come to settings. Setting, of course, we will have option Google services and preferences. So when we come on here on this three dot, of course, you will have option that help option. And when we tap on a help options, then what will happen, guys? Here, just simply we will have to write here hacked Gmail recovery. So if you write here hacked Gmail. So this is a coming hacked Gmail recovery, and now we'll have to make this choose the option here that secure hacked or compromised Google accounts. Yes, I am trying to rescue from my account that is a compromise, of course, or maybe someone is using. So review your account activities. Of course, we will come here. Here is a find out if your account has been hacked. So tap on it, and when we tap on it, then you would be scrolled now here on these tabs the scan the rescue of this, and when we're talking on this, then you will have especially checked out that you are on a right Google recovery page. That's the create a replacement Google account and while getting locked out of your Gmail accounts. If the two option is coming, so then scroll up and we can see here yes account recovery page. On this arrow we will have to tap it, and don't do extra anything. So just wait here and tap on this, then your ID automatically will be recommended that you are trying to the rescue, and don't do extra anything. So click on next and magically see it has. Welcome to you guys. No need to verification anything. How's late has been the rescue. Now here don't make a mistake to click on and continue. Otherwise, of course, you would be trapped in it to verify you. And if you trap some then of course no of course assignment will be especially by you. Why it's so? Because it will demand you to enter the verification of OTP and etc. So that's why here smartly we will click on update password, and now we have the golden opportunity to create a strong password. Now what we will do guys here, don't do extra anything, so just create a strong password, confirm a strong password, and then we will go in a security in Google device. Of course, Gmail account management in there, security in there. Firstly, we will add alternative recovery email because it was not added. So it will be as a family link or alternative recovery email, and upon after adding that, you can remove old phone number that was linked with this guys. And after removing, so of course we can add a new mobile number so that this ID will be permanently secure. Further, these things, this procedure we cannot show you because of especially this is privacy concern of my viewer. He was extremely exhausted and he's in the panic, so too, especially. So that's why this is a privacy concern, but apply this strategy in the similar way, you can fix it. And see, if you are not in the positions to proceed all the procedure, then you can drop your email in the comments box. We will pick, and you should have no any objections to disclose your ID on their channels. And then, of course, we will respond the Delta turn with. So thank you for staying the tail end of this tutorial. Hi, this is Technology Well, and we'll be back with step-by-step with new tutorial. So don't forget to join, like, subscribe, and share this channel. So because of yes, maybe needed for someone, of course, who can, of course, privilege this information, and they can. That is cool. Yes, Zimmel. Of course, the password. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.